Okay, everybody, today we're going to install the ring gear on the Burtz Flywheel. This is going on our 1931 Deluxe Roadster, and it's part of the engine refresh that we're doing. So this is my first attempt. I'm using MAP gas, a couple of torches for a while, but I kept running out of gas. The highest I can get the temperature was about 400, 450 degrees with this. So I tried for almost an hour. And eventually we went ahead and attempted to install it. And as you can see, it just did not fit. Not enough expansion of the ring gear. So we went ahead and moved on to plan B. So we're outside with the barbecue, and I put it on full blast, put the ring gear in there for about 40 minutes, and I was able to get it up to a little over 550 degrees, and it still did not fit. It was pretty obvious that even using my specialized tapping tool there, the pliers, it was not going to fit, and this was failure number 2. Fast forward to a couple days later, and I went ahead and spent about $20 on dry ice. I left the flywheel in the ice chest with the dry ice for about 4 hours, and it got down to 8.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Went ahead and got it on the barbecue over here, which had the temperature pegged at over 700 degrees. And as you can see, it slipped right on. Using a second set of specialized flywheel ring gear tapping pliers, I was able to get it seated, and then I just, for extra measure, went around it with a heavier hammer and a punch, and the ring gear was installed. Okay, everyone, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate the support. If you have a moment, please like and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and get this video out to more people.